तो तैयार है सारे स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, आप लोगों से जो क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे आपको उसका कॉन्फिडेंटली रिप्लाई करना है। आप में से किसी भी स्टूडेंट्स को मैं स्टेज पर बुला सकता हूं। दूसरा, आपसे जो प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे उनके आपको आंसर करना है कॉन्फिडेंटली। सो एवरीवन, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Let's begin the journey of practice. Okay, so the first sentence is stage पर आओ और बोलो। Come on the stage and speak. आपको स्टेज पर आना चाहिए। You should come on the stage. आपको स्टेज पर आना चाहिए क्योंकि स्टेज पर आना एक अच्छी आदत है। It is good habit to come on the stage. स्टेज फेस करना अच्छी आदत है। It is good habit to face the stage. It is, एक बार बोलकर देख लो। It is good habit to face the stage. मैं तैयार हूं, मैं सीखने के लिए तैयार हूं। एक्सीलेंट। ओके, मैं बोलने के लिए तैयार हूं। चूंकि वह 10 साल का है लेकिन वो बहुत नॉलेजेबल है। Since he is 10 years, he is very knowledgeable. He is very knowledgeable. आप since के बदले एक और कंजंक्शन यूज होता है जिसे हम although कहते हैं, वो भी यूज कर सकते हो। Although he is 10 years old, yet he is very knowledgeable. Yet he is very knowledgeable. मैं उसे नहीं जानता लेकिन वो मुझे जानता है। I don't know him, but he knows me. But he knows me. भाई ये ऐसे कंजंक्शंस है जिनके बिना आपकी इंग्लिश अधूरी है, and that is why don't take it for granted. इनको हल्के में मत लेना। ये वो कंजंक्शंस है जिनके बिना आपकी इंग्लिश अधूरी है, अगर ये नहीं आपको आते तो। आ रही बात समझ में? मैंने कहा मैं आपके बोलने के बाद बोलूंगा। I will speak after you speak. मैं आपके बोलने के पहले बोलूंगा। I will speak before you speak. चूंकि आप बोल सकते हैं इसलिए आपको बोलना चाहिए। Since you can speak, you should speak. You should speak. You should speak. Okay, पढ़ाई करो क्योंकि पढ़ाई करना अच्छा है। It's good to study. Because it's good to study. It's good to study. जब तक आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे आप पास नहीं हो सकते। Until and unless. Until लगाओ, unless लगाओ, दोनों इक्वल मीनिंग देते हैं। आपने कहा सर unless लगाना, unless लगा दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। जब तक आप पढ़ाई नहीं करोगे आप पास नहीं होगे। Unless you study, you will not pass. Unless you study, you will not pass. यदि आप पढ़ाई करोगे तो आप पास हो जाओगे। If you study, you will pass. यदि आप सुनोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा। If you listen, you will understand. Come on, एक बार फिर से बोलो। If you listen, you will understand. यदि आप नहीं सुनोगे तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा। If you don't listen, you will not understand. आप चाहें तो if के बदले आप क्या लगा सकते हैं वहां पर? Until और unless भी लगा सकते हैं। अब ये भी कह सकते हैं until and unless you listen, you will not understand. You got it?
Yes, sir.
चलो brother, come on the stage. Yes. Yeah, I will call you. First, I will call him. Yes, what's your name?
Yaju. My name is Yaju.
Okay. Let's begin the journey.
Yes,
मैं आपको
sir.
जानता हूँ,
I know you.
आप मुझे जानते हो।
You know me.
आप क्या कर रहे हो?
What are you doing?
मैं जानता हूँ आप क्या कर रहे हो।
I know what are you doing.
I know what are you doing या what you are doing.
I know what you are doing.
Okay, बोलो जो आप बोल सकते हो।
Speak what you can speak.
Speak what you can speak. मैं पढ़ाई करूंगा लेकिन आपको भी मेरे साथ पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
I will study, but you have to study with me.
I will study but you will have to study with me. Next, जब तक आप स्टेज पर नहीं आओगे आप कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं बन सकते।
Unless you come on the stage, you will not become
Unless
confident.
you come on the stage, you can't become confident. मैं स्टेज पर आने के लिए तैयार हूँ लेकिन मेरी एक शर्त है।
I am ready to come on the stage, but I have a condition.
मैं बोलूंगा नहीं।
I will not speak.
तो फिर स्टेज पर आकर क्या करोगे तुम?
Then what will you do?
By coming on the stage. मैं स्टेज पर आकर गाना गाऊंगा।
I will sing
By coming on the stage. क्योंकि मैं एक सिंगर हूँ।
because I am a singer.
मुझे नहीं पता आप सिंगर हैं।
I don't know you are a singer.
आपको सच नहीं पता मैं सिंगर हूँ?
Sir?
आपको रियली नहीं पता मैं सिंगर हूँ? You really don't know I am singer?
Yes.
Okay. Now मैं बोलता हूँ,
I speak.
मुझे बोलना पसंद है।
I like to speak.
जब तक आप सुनोगे नहीं आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा।
Sir, can you repeat the sentence?
जब तक आप नहीं सुनोगे आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा.
Until you listen, you will not.
Understand. Okay, you said you have completed 21 days here, right?
No, sir, not in advance. I have completed 7 days in advance only.
7 days in advanced class and how many days in basic? 15, I think.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what are the things that you have learned in this 20 and 21 2 days?
Sir, I have learned tenses,
Okay.
models, to be and to have, and then I am learning. I have learned determiners, conjunctions, prepositions.
You said determiners you have learned. What is the difference between some and any? Can you explain?
Sir,
Some is used with
affirmative.
affirmative. Any is used with.
Negative.
If I say I have blank mangoes, some mangoes, any mangoes.
Some.
She doesn't need to go somewhere or anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere. That's good. Yaju is a good boy. Clapping for him. So now I'm giving you topic to discuss. Okay. और आपको अपना 100% देना है. So the topic that I'm giving you is who is very hardworking. Who is very hardworking? Mummy versus Papa. Yes. Papa, you know, he works outside, he manages the shop, he does job, and Mama, she manages the house, and sometimes she also has to work. So the question arises, who is very hardworking?
Sir, I think that mother is very hardworking
Okay.
because she is working in the kitchen
Okay.
and the gas is on in the kitchen. She cannot on the fan also.
Yes.
And sir, the sweat is coming.
Okay.
She cannot relax also. She is not having time to talk to her mother or father.
That's great. That's great.
Fathers are also do job outside and he has to face every lots of pupils. That's
But
why-
fathers are doing job by the sitting. But mother are doing job.
nahi, lots of fathers are doing job by the standing. So
First thing, try to understand. Most of time we live in home, so that's why we can easily see a struggle of our mother. But we are unable to see what is our father is doing for us because they usually do work outside. So it is not easy to see their hard work. What he is doing for us. So father is always hard working than mothers because they are not handling only one thing. Mother is a hard working, but he is handling only home, and even they also job. But there are lots of pressure on our father's side. They have to take care of their children. They have to pay their fees, and there are lots of things they have to take care of.
I agree with your point. But mother are also doing many things. Like mother, one time she cook food and as well as she job outside. But father only job outside. He not cook food.
But at their home there are many servants, so they help her.
Yeah, you can.
Just like if you are saying that sometimes it's great. A mother's hand can get burned by making roti foods. So it is physically. You are focusing on physically, just like damages. But you are unable to see mentally and damage which are your father with them. Your father is suffering. There are lots of incidents. They are hiding in their inside there, but they are not showing you just because of your good health and your career. If they tell you, you will be depressed. They just see you as a good person. That's why they are hiding lots of things and they are suffering with lots of things and can't even express that.
Not only father, but mother also keep the things secretly.
But it is just limited things. But father have lots of things they are unable to say.
But as I am talking to my father, so he went to many of villages and he works there. So he is very tired after coming to home. So it is not like that he is just
And woman doing job. And he is also she is also tired.
A good clap for everyone.